Hey everybody, my name is Chris Watson, and this is where I live now. My mom's new house in Orangeville, but I'm still getting used to it. I, I like the old house better. I have great memories there. All 8 years. And now, happy 70th anniversary, Thomas the Tank Engine. I love trains all the time. Thomas the Tank Engine is a train. I love trains. I'm always interested in trains. I've been watching Thomas for like years. And look what I'm drawing. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, and I'm gonna be doing all Steam Team, like James, Percy, Toby, Emily, and I'm gonna be putting Duck, Dalton, and Douglas, and Oliver, and Annie and Clarabelle, Henrietta, and Toad the Brake Fan. I've been drawing trains for like years. Yeah, I've been drawing trains for like years. Since I've been doing drawings for like, I don't know, 10 years. I'm still an artist. Well, at least I don't know, I don't know, what else am I gonna say? Some stuff. Yeah. Well, Sorcerer's Legend of the Lost Treasure is a good special. I like the stolen ship and the stolen treasure part. Well, I'm gonna go. Please subscribe and comment.